Hey friends! So not everyone has a rice cooker at home, especially if you don't cook rice every day. But does that mean you should miss out on cooking any of my recipes? Absolutely not. So here's how to make jasmine rice without a rice cooker. Not all white rice is made the same. Higher quality rice is fluffier and more fragrant. But you can never go wrong with Thai fragrant jasmine rice. Today we're going to cook 2 cups of rice, which will be enough for about 4 people. The cup measurement that you use doesn't really matter. You could be using a teacup or a random Tupperware and it'll still work. Now before we start, we need to rinse the rice thoroughly to remove the excess starch and any dirt. Use our fingers to agitate the rice and slosh it around. The water will become cloudy. You can save this for rinsing your hair or watering your plants in the garden. Repeat the process a few times until the water is clear. The rice can be cooked in any vessel, a pot, a saucepan, a wok, you name it. As long as it has a lid, you're good. I'm using a wide but shallow pot with a heavy lid. Transfer the rice into the pot. The typical water ratio for jasmine rice is 1.5 cups of water to every 1 cup of rice. So we need 3 cups of water for this amount of rice. Just measure the water with the same cup you use to scoop the rice. You can use the finger method as well, but if you're using a wider pot like this, it doesn't really work. You'll never go wrong with the 1 to 1.5 ratio. Give the pot a jiggle to even everything out and place it on the stove. Turn the heat up to high and cook until it starts boiling like this. Lower the heat to the lowest setting possible or the smallest flame. Cover with the lid and set the timer for 20 minutes. Make sure not to disturb the pot during this time or open the lid or all the steam will escape. Once the time is up, turn off the heat and let the rice stand for about 5 to 10 more minutes with the lid on. By the way, if you find this video interesting, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After 10 minutes, we can finally remove the lid. Use a plastic or wooden spoon to fluff up the rice. How easy was that? Now that you know how to cook rice in a pot, let's make something special. Aromatic nasi kuning or yellow rice. The vibrant yellow color of the rice comes from fresh and powdered turmeric. Let's start with pouring 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into a pot. Add a cinnamon stick and 10 whole black peppercorns. Next, we need 3 sliced red onions. Drop in 2 bruised lemongrass and a few slices of ginger and fresh turmeric. We also need 5 cloves of garlic sliced. For some extra fragrance, place a knotted pandan leaf in as well. Once all the ingredients are caramelized, add in 2 cups of washed rice. Stir the rice with the ingredients so it's well coated in the fragrant oil. This will toast the rice slightly and give it an extra depth of flavor. Now we can pour in 2 cups of water and 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix everything well. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you can't get access to fresh turmeric, just add a bit more turmeric powder. Next, season with 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning or vegetable stock and some salt. Give it one last stir. Jiggle the pot to even all the ingredients and turn the heat up high for the rice to boil. Just like before, cover with the lid and cook for 20 minutes, then let it stand for another 5 to 10 minutes. Fluff up the rice and serve with your favorite dishes. Now that you're armed with this new skill, watch this video right here to find out how to make more flavored rice and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.